There was hardly anybody. It was,
Yeah,
it was pouring.
for what it's worth,
yeah.
the NFL Pro Bowl doesn't really do much.
Yeah, but still, it was pouring rain. It could have been so nice. It's Florida in the wintertime. But no, we've got the rain. In fact, that rain now and that moisture is still heading up into the Carolinas, Southeast Virginia. Still pretty much of a soaker of a morning there. The rain is heading out. You can see there's still some showers just north of Orlando, Melbourne, Daytona Beach. You guys will be getting some thunderstorms this morning. And then we go to that rain from Wilmington to Cape Hatteras. So overall, it was a pretty good soaking rain. 1 to 2 inches, pretty widespread. You can see it all throughout the Southeast. You know, we were talking about the drought monitor at the end of last week and how much we needed rainfall here in the Southeast. This is not a drought buster, but it certainly is going to help. And you can see southern Louisiana got a little too much, actually, so much so that they were handing out sandbags in the Baton Rouge area. All right, so rainfall here across the south and east. That's still going to be with us at least for the morning across the eastern Carolinas until it heads on out. Then what happens next up into the northeast, especially, Cantori's going to break it. Remember, I was out for the Raleigh snow. I was in Mexico, so I completely missed that snowfall for you, Raleigh. Hope you did too. Today at the airport, you could see some delays. We're looking at that because of rain. I don't think it'd be real widespread there. Luckily, volume, I think, is not going to match up with where the worst weather is, so that's good. Detroit with snow showers, de-icing, departure delays could be an issue. Chicago, a couple of snowflakes this morning. Shouldn't be a big deal. Seattle, the rain could cause some delays.
Going to continue for the east.
Right. And well, the whole thing, see, it seems like it's moving out, and it is, but the problem is it's sort of paralleling the coast, and it pivots back just a bit with the moisture thanks to the jet stream being real active back here. So we're going to keep an eye on places like Boston, Providence, eastern Long Island for perhaps some snow. Take a look at that. So we're going to zoom into this area because this is going to be the most impactful weather in terms of what we're going to get out of this. The rain is overall pretty light. The snowfall will be also light, but the problem is any kind of snow, even if it's light, even if it's a nuisance, if it's anything more than a novelty, it's going to be an issue. 1, 2, 3, 4 inches of snow possible, especially south and east. There's going to be a rain snow line, I think, to the extreme southeast. But in terms of your forecast, your temperatures are going to be close to freezing. You look at Nantucket, 33, 34 when that snow starts to fall. And, you know, if you get a coating of slush on the roadways, know that slush is also slippery, so it could be affecting
Mother Nature doing a little blue ivy, like, just calm down, Mom and Dad.
Right.
Just calm down. Did you see her at the Grand?
Significant here, and, you know, we'll see what we get with the end of the week storm system coming in. Now, we want to go to the west, where this dramatic video shows a close call for a snowboarder in Whistler, British Columbia. Check to be aware of just how heavy this snow is. Obviously, they were, and he got him out right away, and thank goodness his friend was there. Let's talk about the weight of snow, and let's look at perspective of your roof. You know, in the wintertime, you might get lazy, not want to clear the snow off your roof, but you need to, because think about a 1,000 square foot roof, and if snow weighs 5 pounds per cubic foot, and you have 2.5 feet of snow, that weighs the same as 50 refrigerators. So that's a ton or tons of weight. That's a lot of weight out there, and certainly that snowboarder had to deal with that as well. You compare actually even just a little more snow, add another foot, 3.5 feet of snow. It's like 20 pianos. We'll be right back.